And when you pick out a new battery, you want to make sure you get a battery that fits your make, model, and size of your vehicle. So you need to pay close attention to these numbers here. Now let's dive in a little bit and I'll tell you more about these numbers and what they mean.
The first term we'll tackle is group size. Now this is like the battery size code. It's an essential code because not all batteries fit all cars. Group size refers to the physical dimensions and terminal configuration of the battery. It's like buying shoes, right? You need the right size for a comfortable fit. You can usually find this information in your car's owner's manual or by simply looking at your old battery. Make sure you pick a battery with the right group size to ensure it'll fit snugly in your car. The second term is cold cranking amps, or CCA. Think of this as the battery's power when it's cold outside. Like one of those frosty winter mornings, CCA tells you how much power the battery can deliver at 0 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds while maintaining a minimum voltage. The higher the CCA, the better the battery can start your car in cold weather. So if you live in a cold climate, pay attention to the CCA rating when choosing a battery. The next term is cranking amps at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. This is often abbreviated as CA. This is similar to CCA, but it's the measure of a battery's power at a slightly higher temperature, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. CA represents how well your battery can start your car in less frigid conditions. So if you live in a milder climate, this is the rating to consider when selecting your battery. Last but not least, we have the minute reserve capacity, or MRC. Think of this as your battery's backup power. It's the number of minutes a battery can deliver a constant amount of current before it's completely discharged. So if your alternator fails, your car can still run on the battery for a certain amount of time. The higher the MRC, the longer your car will keep running without the alternator. This can be a lifesaver in case of emergencies. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.